Pause to see the flower's silent dance, a captivating spectacle unfolding before your eyes. Each bloom and leaf performs an intricate ballet, reflecting life's gentle rhythm whispered through petals and stems. It is within this living canvas that true art reveals itself, not just through creation but through the act of seeing. In every arrangement, a story begins to unravel, inviting us to lean in closer and explore its hidden meanings. A single wildflower, often overlooked, holds a profound grace that speaks volumes within its simple existence. The act of observing becomes a meditative practice. Your attention completes the floral artwork, revealing dimensions previously unseen. It's not about skilled craftsmanship, but the ability to see deeply, transforming mere arrangements into emotive expressions of nature's beauty. Finding zen-like beauty in dry branches or a budding bloom reflects the art of patience and mindfulness. Watching light play upon the color palette of the flowers is itself a work of art, a dynamic interplay of shadows and highlights. The florist's heart whispers secrets through the blossoms, each choice meticulously made, yet it's the observer who ultimately breathes life into this creation. Mindful seeing turns flowers into poetry, infusing each arrangement with personal meaning, showing that appreciation lies in the observer's perception rather than explicit technique. Ikebana, the traditional Japanese art of flower arrangement, teaches us the value of stillness amid the impermanence of blooms. As deadlines fade and daily chaos quiets, the space around you transforms when you engage in the act of appreciation fully. Your wonder elevates ordinary stems into sacred artifacts of nature, each color and texture conversing within the vase, creating a dialogue of beauty waiting to be heard. Breathe in deeply. The fragrance that envelopes you is nature's own artwork, setting the stage for introspection and joy. Even withering petals carry timeless lessons about life's fleeting nature, becoming powerful reminders wrapped in beauty. A solitary branch placed thoughtfully on an office desk inspires creativity, while the visible structure of the flowers reveals the hidden craftsmanship behind their arrangement. In this shared space, appreciation nourishes not only the creator's spirit, but also infuses every viewer with a responsibility toward beauty. Morning dew glistens on petals, free masterpieces waiting for someone to pause and admire. In this realization, you become an artist, not through creation but through the act of seeing and appreciating. Flowers gift beauty to the world. You, in turn, gift meaning to their existence. Silent observation deepens your understanding of floral artistry, where finding joy in imperfections hints that true artistry often lies within the flaws. Indeed, every viewer co-creates the experience, sculpting a garden of mindful connection in their heart.